Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Kingman, as Route 66 East. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Offering an outdoor pool, this motel is 4 miles from Andy Devine, Mohave Museum. All bright rooms include cable TV with extended channels. Lightwine Gallery is 2 miles away. A 24-hour reception is offered at Motel 6-Kingman East. Laundry facilities is located on site. Vending machines featuring snacks and drinks are available. Laughlin, Bullhead City International Airport is 35 miles from Kingman East Motel 6. Desert Diamond Distillery is 20 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.